Hello everybody out there in Facebook land. How are you today? My name is Claude Massey and I wanted to do a quick video for you about the main reason why salespeople do not succeed. So let's get into it. The first thing that you must understand as a salesperson is there is you and there is them. Let me ask you a question. Who is going to buy the product? Who is this sale about? What should it be about? It's crazy. It's interesting. It's perplexing that you already know the answer, don't you? Let me ask you this same question in a different way. Should the sale be about you, the salesperson, or should the sale be about them, the prospect, the potential client, of course? Let me ask you something else. Have you noticed that the general tone of your sales process is a I and we process? Listen, so here's what I think. What we do here is we provide solutions to clients just like you. Well, the reason why we're better than the competitor is, I know what you're talking about, John. What we can offer you is, are these the types of phrases that you're using in your sales process? In order to build connection, in order to build trust, you must communicate properly. Now, you guys know I have a bunch of videos about how to communicate properly. Feel free to check out the channel. But the purpose of what I'm doing in this video is to make it very, very clear that everything in your sales process should be about them, the potential client and the potential prospect. Oh, so what do you think about that? Okay. So you have experience with this then. I can see you're a true professional. Let me ask you another question. What's your favorite thing about the industry right now? Okay, and what'd you eat for lunch? You're going to need to make every bit of your sales call, 100% of it, about the client in any way you can. You know what? Let's make it 150%. Of your sales process should be about building relationships and trust using communication. I have some great news for you and some bad news for you. Bad news, it is not going to be easy to change your habits as a salesperson, but good news, you can. Do me this favor and do you this favor because I actually truly care about you. But don't wonder why. It's my dirty little secret. You guys and girls have a wonderful afternoon and all the best to you.